Jim In early life. Jim In was born Park Jim In on October 13, 1995 in Geumjeong District, Busan, South Korea. He has a younger brother and he attended Hodong Elementary School and Yonsan Middle School. When he was in middle school, Jim In took classes at Just Dance Academy, where he learned how to pop and rock. He studied contemporary dance while attending Busan High School of Art, and one of his teachers encouraged him to join an entertainment company, which led him to Big Hit Entertainment. In 2012, Jim In transferred to Korea Art High School. After graduating in 2014, he majored in broadcasting and entertainment at Global Cyber University. Earning his degree in 2020, Jim In then began attending Hanyang Cyber University in pursuit of a Master of Business Administration in Advertising and Media.